The Musgrave Engine House and its contents are an important part of the Hafod-Morfa Copperworks story. The restoration of both the Musgrave Uniflow engine and the Barring engine, which are inside the recently renovated engine house, are reliant upon accurate plans to show how the engine worked and to be able to replace the damaged and missing parts. Unfortunately, the Barring engine is very badly damaged as it has been exposed to the elements and suffered from theft and vandalism, and therefore it is less than 40% complete, so much reconstruction work will be needed. The Barring engine is a steam-powered vertical 2-cylinder double-acting slide valve engine with an 8-inch bore and a 7-inch stroke. To acquire the information needed to be able to restore the Barring engine, we have used money from the project to visit Bolton archives and also commission a 3D model of the Barring engine. The purpose of visiting the archives was to find out how many plans for the Musgrave steam engine and Barring engine still remain. The Musgrave collection in the archives in Bolton has not been catalogued, and so the only way that we could identify what plans remain was to look through every plan in the collection. Basically, we have sufficient information for the Barring engine to be rebuilt digitally with a high degree of confidence, using the information from the 3D model and the plans we found in the archives. This allows for accurate reconstruction of the missing parts of the Barring engine castings. We will then be able to use that information to price parts up accurately. There is a lot of work ahead of us.